What's my camera doing here? Ah, whatever. Sup, YouTube. My name's Nancy Peanut. Today, we're gonna do something amazing. Now, this isn't torture, but sorry, I'm trying. My mom's gonna hold the camera.
No, I'll turn the dog on.
I can.
Okay.
You hold the camera. So, Spike, we're gonna show Spike our toy.
You better hurry up. He's gonna start his fun time with Mr. Buffalo.
I can't turn it on.
Okay, then give me...
No way, I got it. Oh, there it is.
Okay. Put it in the light, please. Put it in the light, please. No, right. Who's that?
Is that Buddy?
Scared. Come on, dog, move. Buddy, come say hi. Does he smell good? Buddies, come say hi. She's gonna bark. Turn around.
Right.
Doesn't it move, Ace? Did you put on the wrong setting? There's another one where she jumps around. There you go. She's pretty. Jump, you stupid dog. He said, that's my friend. Get her. Let's see. Why isn't this dog jumping? Oh, there she goes, Spike. You're missing it. You missed it. She's trying to say hi.
I think if you pet her.
Oh, why does she sound like I put her to sleep? Oh, I'm sorry.
Well,
Get her.
I think that's all.
We're gone. Get so well. You are stupid. Yeah.
I think that's all.
Jump around, you stupid thing. There she goes.